Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one easy and interesting recipe which you guys can make it at your home for the evening snack. So let's start. So today I'm going to share the recipe of Maggie Pakoda, which you guys can make it at home very easily, guys. So for this recipe, what you need, here I chopped some onion and hara dhania, and here I added half a cup of besan and 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour. If you don't have the rice flour, you can use that corn flour, and I added some ajwain, 1 teaspoon of ajwain, which is very good for the digestive system, and I added some red chili powder and salt. That is up to your taste, how much salt you want. So that's all, guys. And here I cooked the Maggie and I kept it in the box. I added some oil so that it won't stick together. So these are the ingredients, guys, which is easily available in your pantry. So let's start. So here I'm going to add all these things: the onion, hara dhania, that is the coriander leaves, and I'm going to keep this one here, and I'm going to add the Maggie, and I'm going to mix all these things together by adding little bit of water. So I want to show you guys how much water I'm adding into this. That's all. And I'm going to mix these things together with the spoon, or you can use your hand. So I prepared the batter, guys. This batter should not be too thick or too thin. It should be like this, so that it is very easy to fry in the oil, because we are going to fry this one in the oil. And this is the yummiest recipe, guys, because we added the Maggie. So if you want, you can add the Maggie masala powder too, but I skipped that one. So yeah, and it's time to fry in the oil. My oil is hot, guys, and it's time to fry, or you can fry this one in the air fryer also if you want to skip this oil. So I'm frying all the pakodas. Can you see the color? And the kids, they will love it, because as I said, we added Maggie inside. So when they are eating, so Maggie will come from the pakoda. So my pakoda is ready, guys. Can you see? So another 1 minute. Yep, it's done. So I'm going to keep this one here. Can you see, guys? And I'm going to make more. Hey guys, this is a quick video of how to make Maggie Pakoda for the evening snacks at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video, and please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you soon. Bye. And this Maggie Pakoda, you can have this with any green chutney or ketchup, tomato ketchup, even with the pickle it goes very well. So here I am making more. And we are going to have this one with the tea. So yeah, see you soon. Bye guys.